it's actually quite easy to install these Corten fence posts that we use for our screens. This is what they look like. And they are made of 35 times 35 millimeter square pipes, like this. And that is to achieve an elegant and minimalistic look in the end, since these pipes will rust the same way as the screens do. So, what will we need for this project? We will need concrete. Here we have some ready-made concrete, which means it's already mixed with sand, so the only thing you need to add is actually water. Secondly, you will need square pipes. Here I've used 25 times 25 millimeter square pipes, which fits nicely into these. These pipes are cut in 1 meter lengths. You will need something to measure with, so you can measure the distance between the posts. And you will need something to ensure that it's actually straight in the end. The can is there to measure the water, since you will need to pour water on top of the concrete to make it thicken. So, step 1, you dig a hole. This hole should be approximately 70 centimeters deep. Inside this hole, you add 15 centimeters of this concrete and you stamp around it to make it thick, hard. Then you push down these pipes. These pipes should be pushed down at least 40 centimeters below ground level. Thereafter, you add the remaining of the concrete and stamp around it, and it will become really strong. So, through that, it's quite easy actually to measure and to ensure that it's straight each and every corner, like this. So quite simple way of doing this. Once done, you add about 3 liters of water and you just pour that on top slowly to make it sink in. Thereafter you wait approximately 24 hours before you add some more water to make sure that the concrete gets really strong. Once that's done, you're actually ready, so you can use these pipes and just push them on top. And we have singles and we have doubles for this purpose. So quite simple. Can it become even more simple than this? Good luck with your project.